Hello students, today's video is going to be very interesting because we are going to discuss some important parts of this exercise. So let's come and join. Okay, so question is determine, question number 2 is determine which of the following binary operations is commutative and associative. So we written which of the following binary operations. So which of the following questions are: number 1, star on, question is star on n define is a star b equal to the power ab. This is a question is going to be very interesting. So a star b equal to the power ab, and we know what is the commutative law. So number 1, we have to prove commutativity. And how can we solve? We know very well, and you know very well, that when we are saying about the commutative, so we can say that a star b equal b star a. So a star b equal b star a, then we can say that given functions are commutative. So guys, we are going to discuss a star b. Just see, look here, a star b should be equal to b star a when we are saying about the commutative. So a star b, we are having the value of a star b, so we can write here to the power ab. Okay, and b star a means to the power, when we are saying about the a star b equal to the power ab, then what is the b star a? Put here b and here a, so we can say that to the power b a. Okay, so you can understand better that to the power ab equal to the power ba, both are same. So we can say that it is commutative. So it is commutative. Now associative, we have to prove. Then we can say that a star b equal a star b star c equal a star b star c. First we have to find a star b at here, and secondly we have to find b star c at here. Then we have to operate to each other. Okay, so when we are saying about the a star b, so a star b means to the power ab, and what is the b star c? B star c means to the power bc. Okay, if we are saying a star b equal to the power ab and b star c equal to the power bc, now there are two parts, one is the LHS, other is the RHS. So take LHS. LHS is a star b star c equal, a star b means to the power ab, and it is star by C. So we can say that now this is the A and this is B. This is A and this is the B. So we can write here again 2. Look at here. This is the A and this is B. So there is the 2. A means to the power AB star C B. Here is the B and here is the C. So we can write here to the power 2 AB multiplied by C. This is LHS. Okay, now RHS. RHS is A star B star C. So RHS is A star B star C. So there is the A star, the value of B star C we know, B star C equal to the power BC. To the power BC. Now this is the value of A and this is the value of B. If this is the value of A and this is the value of B, we can say that there is to the power A and 2 BC. Guys, you can look here. Here is the to the power 2 AB multiplied by C, and here 2 the power A dot to the power BC. Both are equal? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not associative. So it is not associative, students. So now next one is we are going to discuss next question. Next one is A star B equal A star B equal A plus B minus 3. A star B equal A plus B minus 3 on N. So this is the question. Okay, so we are going to discuss. First is commutative, second is associative. So what is the commutative? When we are saying about the commutative, we can know that A star B equal B star A. When we are saying A star B equal B star A, so we can say that it here A plus B minus 3 equal B plus A minus 3. When we are saying about the A star B, so we can say that A star B's values is already given, that is A plus B minus 3. And when we are saying about the B star A, just put the value of B on the space of A and put the value of A on the space of B. So we can write here B plus A minus 3. You can understand very easily that A plus B minus 3 and B plus A minus 3 both are same. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that it is commutative. So it is commutative. Now next one is associative. When we are saying about the associative, we can say that A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. So when we are saying about the A star B star C, so we can write here the value of A star B means A plus B minus 3. Put here A plus B minus 3. And when we this is a star with star C, the value of A star B is A plus B minus 3, and this is a C star with this. Now A is a star with B star C. The value of B star C means B plus C minus 3. So we can write here B plus C minus 3. Okay. Now be careful when we are going to discuss this part. Okay students, why? Because some errors are there when students are solving this question. So there is a problem about the understanding. So I think you don't have any problem regarding this. Now when we are saying about the a plus b minus 3 star c, this is not the a plus b minus 3. This is the value of a. This is the value of a and this is the value of b. This is the value of a and this is the value of b. Okay, so when we are saying about the a, if we are saying about the a means a plus b minus 3 and the value of this is the value of b. Okay, so when we are saying about the a means we have to put here a plus b minus 3. This is the value of a, plus we are using plus the value of b is c. Okay, and minus 3. So the value of a is a plus b minus 3, value plus is there, the value of b is c and minus 3. Now a plus b plus c means the value of a is a, so there is the a, and the value of b is b plus c minus 3 minus 3. Now this is the a plus b plus c minus 6 and this is a plus b plus c minus 6. Guys, you can see here that LHS, this is the part of LHS and this is the part of RHS, both are equal. So we can say that it is, this is associative, this is associative. This is associative. So this is associative. Now you have to solve this in this exercise, commutative and associative. So now question is a plus 3b on n. When we are saying about the a star b means a plus 3b. Okay, a star b is value a plus 3b, so we can say that a plus 3b is there. When we are saying about the b star a, suppose what is happened, b star a means b plus 3a. So this is equal or not? Yeah, you are saying good, this is not the equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS, so it is not commutative. This is not commutative. Next one is next one is a star b star c equal a star b star c. We are checking, this is not the part of this question, so we can say that this is extra question. Okay, so this is extra question, and after it we solve question number 2. Okay, so a star b star c equal a star b star c, and when we are saying here a plus 3b, the value of a star b means a plus 3b, and star c equal a means a, and b star c means star, b star c means b plus 3c. Now a plus 3b star c means the value of a means a plus 3b, the value of a means a plus 3b, and there is a 3 and the value of b is c. So we can say that a plus 3b plus 3c, and it here a equal a means there is the a and there is the 3 and the value of b is b plus 3c. So we can say that a plus 3b plus 3c equal a plus 3b plus 9c. So it is very clear that this is not associative. Okay, this is the second question, students. We have taken some other question by book by mistakenly. So it's not problem. These are the questions, and we have to solve the questions. We are just think that this is example. Now, star 1 defined as a star b equal a plus b plus a square b. So when we are saying about a star b equal a plus b plus a square b, and we have to prove that it is commutative. We have to prove it is commutative or not. So when we are saying about the commutative, a star b equal b star a star b equal b star a, the value of a star b equal b star a. So we can write here a star b means a plus b plus a square b, and the value of b star a means b plus a plus b square a. Now it is totally clear that a square b is not equal to b square a plus b plus equal b plus a plus b square a. There is the ab, there is also ab, but a square b is not equal to b square a, so it is not equal to both. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. If LHS is not equal to RHS, we can say that it is not commutative. So it is not commutative. Okay, next one is associative. Associative, when we are going to discuss about the associative, we know that a star b star c equal a star b star c. This is a part of this. So a star b star c means a star b means a plus b plus a square b. A plus b plus a square b, this is the value of star c equal a, and star with the value of b plus b star c means put here b and c. So we can say that this is the b plus c plus b square c. Okay students, when we are putting here b and c, so there is the b and here is the c, and there is the b square and c. Okay, now this is the value of a means this is a means a plus b plus a square b. This is the value of a plus b means c, this is a c plus a square means a plus b plus a square b whole square, and the value of b means there is a c equal a means a, and b means b plus c plus b square c, b plus c plus b square c plus a square means a square, and the value of b means b plus c plus b square c. Okay, so it is totally clear that this is not equal to this, because a is cancelled by a, b is cancelled by b, c is cancelled by c. So a square b plus a plus b plus a square b whole square c is b square c plus a square b plus a square c plus b square a square c. Both are not equal, because when we are expanding a plus b plus c to the power 2 multiplied by c, this is a very big part, so we can say that these are not equal. So it is not associative. So it is not associative. So next question is, students, AB plus 1. Next one is AB plus 1. So if A star B equal AB plus 1, so AB plus 1, and B star A means BA plus 1. So LHS equal RHS. Is LHS equal RHS, we can say that it is, so it is commutative. So it is commutative. Now come on associative. A star B means AB plus 1 star C equal A. A means A. Look at here. A star B means AB plus 1 and star with C. A means A and BC means BC plus 1. Okay. Now this is the value of A and this is the value of B. If it is value of A, so we can say that value of A means AB plus 1 and the value of B means C plus 1. This is the value of A, this is the value of B, it means C and plus 1 equal value of A means A and the value of B means BC plus 1 plus 1. So we can say that ABC plus C plus 1 and this is the ABC plus A plus 1. So we can say that ABC plus 1 is not equal to A plus 1. So it is not associative. So it is not associative. Okay, next one is next question is A plus B minus 7. A plus B minus 7. This is the next question. This is question number. This is fifth. Question number 5th. A star B equal A plus B minus 7. Now, students, it's not matter that this is question number 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to prove commutative and associative. Maybe this question is from your book, maybe this question from outside of your book. So it's not a matter that this is a question, whatever, what is the question. You have to know how to apply the commutative and associative, that's all. Okay. So now this is a commutative. A star B means A plus B minus 7 and B star A means B plus A minus 7 means A plus B minus 7, B plus A minus 7 means LHS is equal to RHS. So it is commutative. So it is commutative. Now come on associative. A star B means A plus B minus 7. A star B means A plus B minus 7 star C. Okay, this is the A star B plus C minus 7. Okay, look at here carefully. A plus B minus 7 star C equal A star B plus C minus 7. Okay. Guys, now this is the value of A and this is the value of B. This is the value of A and this is the value of B. So if there is the value of A and this is the value of B, so put here A. When we are putting here A means A plus B minus 7 and the value of B means C and there is a minus 7 equal A means A, B means B plus C minus 7 minus 7. So it is A plus B minus A plus B plus C minus 14 and here A plus B plus C minus 14. So we can say that LHS equal RHS. So it is associative. So students, it is associative. So hope you understand better it here. So whatever question is from your book or outside of book, you have to know how to solve the questions, how to apply the commutative laws, how to apply the associative law. This is the main thing. Don't be the narrow minded and be widely that any question is there, you have to think, put it is the value of a, means there is a, b means b, others. This depends on question, whatever question is there.